There are 4 boxes. Each box has 8 pencils. How many pencils total? Answer is 32. Complete the multiples of 8. 40, 48, 56. Answer is 64. What is half of 24? Answer is 12. 14 divided by 7 equals? Answer is 2. Complete the multiples of 4. 8, 12, 16. Answer is 20. 120 divided by equals 12? Answer is 10. What is half of 80? Answer is 40. 10 times 10 equals? Answer is 100. 5 times 4 equals? Answer is 20. 44 divided by 4 equals? Answer is 11. What is half of 96? Answer is 48. 36 divided by equals 4? Answer is 9. 6 times equals 48? Answer is 8. 10 times 9 equals? Answer is 90. 4 times 4 equals? Answer is 16. 77 divided by equals 11? Answer is 7. 80 divided by equals 10? Answer is 8. Is 29 even or odd? Answer is odd. 9 times equals 81? Answer is 9. What is double 3? Answer is 6.